Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Shaunak Mindkar and I welcome all of you to my new series Trade Venture, where we'll be discussing 2 to 3 stocks every day and we'll just also see the results of the stocks that we had already discussed on a regular basis. Okay. सो आज आपण काही स्टॉक्स जे मी टेलिग्राम चॅनलवरती माझ्या दिले होते ते मी दाखवतो की 1 डिसेंबरला बघा मी सांगितलं होतं की टाटा स्टील लुक्स ॲट ॲज अ गुड सपोर्ट and it is a very low risk entry. If you could check what I had given on 1st December, it's not edited, it's pure, it's there. And you could check की टाटा स्टीलचं साधारणपणे 1 डिसेंबर म्हणजे इट्स अबाउट हिअर, म्हणजे इथे कुठेतरी तो जाईल. साधारणपणे 1 डिसेंबर इज समवेअर नियर अराउंड हिअर 1st डिसेंबर, आणि तेव्हा लेट्स से की प्राइस कुठेतरी प्राइस वॉज अराउंड लेट्स से yeah it was 1080. आणि आत्ता जर समजा आपण मुद्दाम बघितली प्राइस याची टाटा स्टीलची, then it's around 1148 somewhere, so 1148. So that's a pretty good return to have. हे ऑलरेडी कुठेतरी ते 1148 च्या आसपास आहे आता, इट्स अराउंड हिअर. सो एवढा साधारणपणे आपला रिटर्न मिळाला आपल्याला. So you could check this all these details available on Trade Encore official channel. The reason why I had given this particular detail was Tata Steel is at actually very good support. If you check this particular screen, आपण जर समजा त्याला retracement लावली, it's near its 38.2 retracement 1045. Not just that, if you check here, RSI is at 40 around. So overall bullish stockसाठी this was a clearly, and this is still, म्हणजे आता जर समजा बघितलं 1000च्या आसपास जर टाटा स्टील अवेलेबल असेल तर इट इज अ व्हेरी लो रिस्क एंट्री टू हॅव. सो टाटा स्टील is actually very good at these particular prices. Rather, if it even depreciates 50%, which it will not in the near future, at least in the recent, if it comes to 894, around 900 to 1000 is actually a good buying zone for Tata Steel. Let's move to the further stock. Having said this, you can just search trade Encore underscore official, our Telegram channel, for more details. So I continuously keep on posting these videos, and I continuously keep on posting all the updates of analysis that I regularly do to all the traders who want to enjoy. It's completely free. Yes, another thing that I want to share here is another chart that I wanted to share here is Bajaj Auto. So हा तर इथे क्लिअरली तुम्हाला दिसतच आहे, बजाज ऑटो इज ॲट ग्रेट सपोर्ट. म्हणजे जर समजा नीट बघितलं इथे तर इट इज ऑलमोस्ट हा साधारण आहे 2018. जशी हिअर डाऊन तुम्हाला डेट दिसत असते. सो 2018 ते 2020 पर्यंत किंवा 2020 पर्यंत त्याला हे ज्या 3 वर्षात इट वॉज नॉट एबल टू ब्रेक दिस पर्टिक्युलर रेंज. ओके, हा सपोर्ट आहे 3300चा. And Bajaj Auto is exactly halting itself here. So this is something that we call it as make or break. म्हणजे जर समजा, now that's a very important support. So if broken, those who are trading F&O, futures and options, can have a bearish trade in place if broken. ओके, मात्र आत्ता जर समजा कोणाला घ्यायचं असेल तर इट इज अ व्हेरी सेफ एंट्री पॉइंट, सेफेस्ट एंट्री पॉइंट, बिकॉज इथे सेफेस्ट एंट्री आत्ताच म्हणजे 3300 कुड बी अ व्हेरी 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 सेफर एंट्री फॉर बजाज ऑटो. ओके, safest entry for Bajaj Auto, because around 3000, you can say 3200, or even you can check here uh, at max 3100 च्या आसपास तुम्ही you can put it as a stop loss. And here you may find that the RSI is below 40, so it is not per se indicating a buy in considering the indicators, but still, if you check the price action point of view, it's a very good buying point. कारण स्टॉप लॉस तुमचा इथे म्हणजे साधारणपणे 200 रुपयाची रिस्क आहे. 200 रुपये रिस्क which you can take. At least one lot or a smaller lot buy is recommended in Bajaj Auto here. Next is something that we can talk today is about actually let's say a sector which is called Nifty Media. So this is a chart actually of Nifty Media. So हा चार्ट जो आहे तो निफ्टी मीडियाचा आहे, दिसत असेल आपल्याला. So this is so Nifty Media is good for a long term purpose. This is a weekly chart. So every candle represents a week. So it's actually great for a long term purpose. Okay, long term purpose साठी in the sense की this is a long term bullish, it has given a few bullish indications until if it crosses 2000 आणि खाली जर समजा गेलं ते below only until it is about 2000, it is a very good sector to invest in. So या sector मध्ये कुठले stocks actually investing आहेत, if you can check the chart of Zeal. In the next video I'm going to be discussing a few charts, a few more charts. Zealचा एक chart आपण पुढच्या याला आपण बघू शकतो. But आत्ता तुर्तास you can discuss, we can actually discuss another chart which is, let's say, this thing, network 80. हा मी एक सांगायचं विसरलो, you would observe on the Telegram channel that I had already given you a few these things, out of which if you check Axis Bank मी दिला होता, मी 2 डिसेंबरला I had recommended Axis Bank buy. आणि मुद्दाम आपण बघूया, let's say the chart of Axis Bank we could check. Just a minute, let's check the chart of Axis Bank. Okay, let's check this. मी सांगितलं होतं साधारणपणे, yeah, that is such a beautiful growth. मी 2 नोव्हेंबरला सांगितलं होतं, मी I had recommended somewhere around this particular, म्हणजे let's say I had recommended a buy around here when actually the stock was falling. तेव्हा मी buy सांगितलं होतं इथे, I had given you a buy. And further you can check the growth, you can clearly see how it is actually performed so well. आणि एक्झॅक्ट टर्म्स मध्ये जर समजा आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं झालं तर यू कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट द ग्रोथ ऑल्सो इफ यू कुड चेक दिस. जर समजा कोणी या म्हणजे परवा बाय करू नये, 2 तारखेला बाय केला असता, विदिन 1 वीक यू कुड हॅव गॉट अराउंड 2 to 3% रिटर्न्स. अँड दिस इज व्हॉट पोझिशनल बाईंग अँड पोझिशनल सेलिंग मीन्स. पोझिशनल ट्रेड असतोच असा की तो एक आठवड्याभरात किंवा फार फार तर 2 आठवड्यात एक्झिट करता आला पाहिजे. So this was a completely beautiful example. Axis Bank also. Kotak Bank was a risky trade and I had given you the risk analysis. So it was very risky to buy Kotak Banks. UPL also is a UPL and TVS Motor is something that we had discussed. Okay, let us discuss a sector called as media sector. That is something that we were going to discuss. Just check, yeah, even Bajaj Auto, I was about to tell you, Bajaj Auto अगर आप देखोगे, if you check Bajaj Auto, that's a beautiful chart. But Bajaj Auto hasn't yet grown. So जैसे आप देख रहे हो 3315 पे अभी वो है. So Bajaj Auto is something which we are waiting for growth. It's not yet shown any growth. So it's on a make or break zone. It's neither made it nor broken the zone. So you can have a analysis of Bajaj Auto. I'll just give the analysis of Bajaj Auto later on after the movement happens. It may break the support. जैसे मैंने कहा stop loss की तैयारी है कि वो hit हो जाए तो हम लोग बाहर निकलेंगे. But it can, if it goes, it is going to go above 3300, which we are going to if it goes above 3300, it will go beyond 3500, the benefit of around 200 plus rupees which we are going to capture. Yes, so that's something that I wanted to share. निफ्टी मीडिया हा आत्ताचा जो मार्केटचा फॉल आहे ना, त्या फॉल मध्ये सुद्धा तो पडला नाही. जर समजा आपण नीट ऑब्झर्व केलं तर निफ्टी 50 खूप जास्त पडत होतं. इवन बँक निफ्टी वॉज अबाउट बिअरिश till yesterday. Today bank nifty has shown a completely different color. It all rose and it went to such highs. It's surprising. So nifty, if you check media, निफ्टी मीडिया मधला जर समजा आपण बघायचं झालं तर इट इज नॉट दिस पर्टिक्युलर शेअर अँड दिस पर्टिक्युलर सेक्टर इज नॉट फॉलोइंग टू दॅट एक्सटेंट. So that means it is into a very short term consolidation which it is set to break. So तर लवकरच ब्रेक व्हायची शक्यता आहे आणि ऑन द बुलिश साइड इट्स एक्सपेक्टेड टू ब्रेक बिकॉज 60च्या वरती सेटल होताना RSI दिसतोय. सो that's a pretty good sign. One more thing which we can observe in Nifty Media कुठला शेअर घेण्यासारखा असेल तर that we can discuss is Network 18. So Network 18 चा जर समजा चार्ट बघितला ना, I just want to give you a brief detail about Network 18. कंपनीचे डिटेल्स आपण कधी डिस्कस करत नाही. I'm a technical analyst basically, so we don't discuss news, and that's why I've given the title Shift from News to Analysis, Shift to Trade and Core. ओके, सो आज आपण जरा थोडासा नेटवर्क 18 चे डिटेल्स म्हणजे काय, इफ यू चेक दिस पर्टिक्युलर लाईन, सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी लॉंग टर्म सपोर्ट. सो हा जर समजा आपण बघितला तर 2014 पासून रेजिस्टन्स, I wanted to say this line is a very very long term resistance. So the beauty of any particular resistance is after it is crossed, it becomes a support. So when right now the price is above this particular resistance आणि ह्या रेजिस्टन्सला क्रॉस करून ही बरोबर 2021 ला वरती गेली आत्ताच. म्हणजे इफ यू चेक दिस इज पर्टिक्युलर, सो आत्ताच लाईक लेट्स से 6 to 7 weeks ago, म्हणजे अराउंड 2 to 3 अराउंड पर से 1.5 months or 2 months ago. सो जेव्हा ही वरती गेली प्राइस तेव्हा तिथे एक अॅक्युरेट बाय सिग्नल, लॉंग टर्म बाय signal got generated because it's going to move up. पण आता तिथे ज्या लोकांना बाय करता आलं नाही, दिस इज अ गोल्डन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू बाय दिस पर्टिक्युलर शेअर. But whenever I say that there's a golden opportunity, does not mean that it will never cross this particular level. असं नाहीये की आता तुम्ही बाय कराल साधारण 74 ला आहे तर तो कुठेच 60 30 याला कुठे येणारच नाही, असं नाही होणार. असं होऊ शकतं की तो खाली आला. देयर इज अ गोल्डन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर अ लो रिस्क एंट्री. इट्स नेवर अ नो रिस्क एंट्री, इट्स ऑलवेज अ लो रिस्क एंट्री. It's always a low risk entry. So low risk entry could be possible around, let's say from 75 to 80 you could enter this particular share. आणि exit कधी व्हायचं, my exit like per se target would be greater than rupees 100. 100 च्या वरती 100 plus would be a target. And stop loss will definitely be rupees 60. It should not cross on any day. Stop loss should be 60. 60 च्या खाली नाही येत. Rupees 60, yeah. Stop loss will be rupees 60. So this is something that I wanted to share. So we have seen actually two shares today, 2 to 3 shares rather. One was Tata Steel, which is still a good buy, by the way. एक positional buy साठी एक चांगला share Tata Steel ठरू शकतो for the next few days. Bajaj Auto is a good share, good buy for listing for positional. Nifty Media मधला एक Network 18 आपण बघितला, that's a pretty good opportunity for buying. We've seen this particular stock. I also wanted to do a series on if you check Bank Nifty, the way it performed today. I also wanted to do something on that, but we'll see it later on. Bank Nifty, where is it at right now? Which possible resistance would it have in the near future? What positions did I take? या सगळ्या गोष्टी मी नंतर शेअर करेन. Cholo, I hope this video was informative. We'll be meeting regularly now. Any person who, like, if you guys have any doubts or want any particular stock analyzed, whether it is a good entry in that particular stock or not. I'll just analyze those stocks for you. Just put those stocks in the comment section. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel for the latest particular updates. Even if the day when I don't get time to record a video, I can still post updates on the Telegram channel. So have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.